What's up YouTube? It's your boy WannabeMatt. Welcome to another video. So in today's video I was like searching on YouTube and I was like what should I make my next video about? And I came across what's hot now and those are the texting lyric pranks. So I figured why not do a couple videos on that. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So let's jump straight into it. So for today, today's video, the two songs I chose were We Don't Talk Anymore and Closer by Chainsmokers, and We Don't Talk Anymore is by Puth and Selena. So the reason I chose those two songs because I did two lyric pranks. I did two texts. We're gonna jump straight into the video, but before that, don't forget to follow me on the socials. Links are always in the descriptions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, watch some more of my other videos, and yeah, thank you guys so much thus far for support. So yeah, let's jump into the video.
We don't talk anymore.
We did before.
We don't talk anymore like we used to do.
We did talk before.
We don't laugh anymore.
LOL. Okay, sweetheart. Maybe you weren't good enough. At this point, I was like, hold up. What are you talking about? But I just let it slide. So I'm gonna stick with the plan.
What was all of it for?
All of what?
I just heard you found the one you've been looking for.
Who is that?
I wish I would have known that wasn't me. Cause even after all this time I still wonder why I can't move on.
And at that point, guys, she stopped replying. So it was going good until I came up to that point, and then she was like, what the hell? What is he talking about? And she stopped replying. So that was a major fail. I still haven't told her that it was a prank. Maybe after I upload this video, then I'll tell her then that it's a prank. But until then, she still doesn't know. Oh well. So that's 1 for them and 0 for me. So I went back again because I'm determined. You know, I'm determined. Let's jump into that video.
Hey.
Hi, you good?
I was doing just fine before I met you.
Really now?
I drink too much and that's an issue.
Don't know what you're getting at.
But I'm okay.
So you're really not going to HGS? At this point, I think she doesn't have a clue what's going on and she thinks that we're just having a regular conversation. But as I said, I'm just sticking with the lyrics. I'm not going off path. I'm just sticking with the lyrics. Hey, what? Answer the question. At this point, you know she's getting a bit pissed. I don't know, but I find it extremely funny.
You tell your friends it was nice to meet them.
Which friends? The one that was in the picture with my son? Or one I have up now, which is me? So yeah guys, he has a son, and at the time her profile pic was with somebody else, so I wasn't really paying attention. I'm just using the lyrics, so I don't know exactly what she's talking about, but I'm just going along with it. So yeah.
But I hope I never see them again.
Emoji rubs chin, blush emoji.
I know it breaks your heart.
Yeah, and at this point she sends a voice note. What the voice note says was that she was dying with laughing basically. And I was like, don't send voice notes, this is a text prank. I was like, So yeah. So I stick with the lyrics. I was like,
moved to the city in a broke down car.
You want to try my car? I'll take you to places you ain't never been before and back, but we never break down. I was like, what is she talking about? Now I'm wondering if I'm part of the prank, because I have no idea what she's talking about. I was like, okay. But hey, I'm sticking with the lyrics, so
4 years, no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar.
lend me $5,000 please. I'll back to you on the 10th or month end. Emergency. Okay, At this point, I think she was actually asking for a favor, but as I said, I wasn't going to be distracted at all, so I just continued with the lyrics. And then I was like, whoa guys, whoa, what's that? If you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, I was like, whoa, this is like PG-24 XXX, whatever. I blocked that out on the screen recordings because that's not PG at all. I was like, okay. Then she was like, you stop this with your thing. I am crying, laugh emoji, blows heart emoji, and I was like, that escalated really fast, and no, I can't stop. Ambulance emoji. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover. And she stopped replying right there. So that's 2 fails, guys, in 1 day. Oh well, but if you guys like this video or want to see more of this video, let me know in the comment section below. I'll make more videos. I find these videos really funny. If you guys find them funny, let me know. I'll do more. I'll probably do one on my ex, or my ex's mom, or one of my male friends. That's funny. It's kind of creepy, but funny. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you guys enjoyed this video. I'll make more. It's your boy WannabeMatt. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on the socials, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. I reply to all my comments, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Another vlog. How are you guys doing today?